Zero dimension, zero, nothing left to say. Zero has been left until last because, in a sense, it is not actually a number at all, just a mark representing the absence of number. It is perhaps for this reason, and the horror many theologians had of it, that nothing took such a long time to emerge as something at all, and in quite a few sensible cultures it never did. A symbol for zero has been invented independently at least 3 times. The Babylonians in 400 BC started using the shape of 2 wedges pressed into clay to act as an empty place marker in their sexagesimal numerals, no number in this column. On the other side of the world, and nearly 1,000 years later, the Mayans adopted a seashell symbol for the same function. The circular form that nothing assumed under the Indians reflected the indentation left in sand when a pebble used for counting is removed. Thus our modern zero, inherited from the Indians' L, began as the visible trace of something no longer there. Like 1, 0 probes the borderline between absence and presence. In early Indian mathematics treatises, it is referred to as sunya, meaning void, calling to mind the abyss, the ultimate unknowable, the pregnant ground of all being. It is perhaps appropriate that our 0 takes the form of a circle, itself a symbol of 1, and that our 1 takes the form of a short line between 2 points. As acknowledged in gematria, each number already contains the seed of its successors within it, and the symbols for 0 and 1 strangely combine to create the golden symbol. What is the zeroth dimension in string theory? In string theory, the zeroth dimension refers to the starting point of the string, where it has no length and is considered a single point. This point is also known as a singularity and is thought to be the origin of the universe in the theory. What is the string theory of 0? The type 0 string theory is a less well-known model of string theory L. It is a superstring theory in the sense that the world sheet theory is supersymmetric. However, the spacetime spectrum is not supersymmetric and, in fact, does not contain any fermions at all.